It's 5:30 in the morning. That can only mean one thing. Let's meet up with your tuner to buy some wheels for the Integra. Oh my God. You guys can't even see the wheels, but just now leaving, linked up with Matuna Javi. This may be big back of me right now, but it's mad early. It's Friday, which means that Dixie Cream donuts gotta be popping right now. And I'm low-key still tired. Bro, I got like 3 hours of sleep. We're about to swing by. Get us some yo nuts, cuz I'm low-key kind of disappointed in the wheels that I got, but I need them for the Integra, and it is what it is, bro. But I really, god damn it. I'll show you right after I get these donuts. I'm finna put y'all on. If y'all some locals, bro, y'all be going to Dunkin' Donuts and getting Krispy Kreme. Nah, Playboy. You see that right there? Dixie Cream? Come on, man. Oh yeah, I'm finna spaz up in here. I've been a nasty girl. I've been a nasty girl. Let me show y'all these wheels. Big back, big back, big back, big back. Whose back is big as a whale, but don't give no rat's tail. Big back, big back, big back, big back. Shut up, big. Let's clean them up. To my surprise, they clean up really well. Like, these look damn near brand new. It's just this right here, whatever lug nut that they were using to mount, just like took the paint off. But bro, these are mint for 800 bucks. Can't go wrong. Tires are pretty much damn brand new. If you're an avid viewer of my channel or familiar with my Integra, then you know I'm pretty much rocking the same wheel and tire spec. These are 225 45s and those are 225 50s. These wheels are from the homie Chris. Chris lent me these wheels when I sold my Koenigs, and I've been basically on a rental wheel for mad months now. So, and now that I finally have my own set of wheels, I can give Chris back his wheels. It's very important to have people in your life look out for you when you're going through tough times and stuff like that. Like, the whole goal was just to be on these wheels for like maybe a month or two, and then I had a wheel deal fall completely through. I was basically screwed. So he's like, bro, don't even worry about it. Just don't stress it. When somebody tell you don't stress it, just don't stress it. That means they got you. That's a sign from God. Obviously, it was a priority to get my own set of wheels, but again, with lack of funds and not having the proper resources needed, I would love to dive down on that and explain to you guys my whole resource situation that I've been going through for years now, but that may just like end up fracturing some relationships that I have within the industry. I was dealt a hand that kind of screwed me in a way. It's a lot, but hopefully one day I'll be able to tell that tale. On the upside, things have been getting better for me. I feel like I'm at the place now where I should have been years ago within the industry, in the sense where like my worth is being reciprocated by a form of payment. Things are looking up on that. You know, the more revenue that I can make, the more I can put back into the channel and do cool shit, like get my first shop, get my dream car, like things that I haven't even done yet. It's amazing to me how like I made it this far on YouTube and I haven't even done the whole YouTuber thing of like getting flown out by Honda. Like my whole channel is built on Honda, yet there's creators out there that don't even own Hondas are getting invited to these Honda summits. And it's like, what the I get it. But in due time, baby, we gonna get there. We're gonna get there. I've been chilling on these gold RPF 1s for a minute now, which would look so good on the car if the front end was painted. It's just a lot going on with that whole debacle of getting this damn front end painted. And I was waiting on fenders from Track Life for like a year now, and they're just never gonna show up. So I'm just gonna paint what I got, roll with it that way, bro. Once the Civic is squared away and painted and everything is done to that, then I can put focus back onto the Integra and get this thing painted and squared away, and then put some T's back on this bad girl and go from there. Now that I got the car somewhat off the ground, I can see what's causing all that racking noise. I feel like it's something to do with my rear sway bar since it's loose. Yeah, I figured. Let's go ahead and get the homie Chris wheels off so I can put on my new wheels. Woo! Okay. Dude, look how cooked my lug nuts are. Bro, holy shoot. Bro, can y'all please hit the like button? Or buy a t-shirt so I can put some lug nuts on. Jesus Christ. I mean, they're getting the job done, but bruh, wicked. All right, let's see how this looks. Went from a 45 to a 50. Jeez.
Fire.
It is way too hot outside today, bro. But I got the wheels on. And they are bulky, bro. These things are tall. Yeah, I mean, it clears. We'll see how much it does clear, but it's just crazy how tall they are. 45s to 50s. That is crazy. Today is actually National Go Skate Day. The homie Jermaine invited me out to an event he's throwing at the local skate park. And I figured we'll hit the gym and then we'll go see what Jermaine got cooking up. Posted a clip on my Instagram maybe a week ago of me busting ass. No diddy. Literally busting my ass on my skateboard because I was trying to do a pop shove it or something like that. And yeah, so today we're gonna go to the skate park and we're gonna try to see if we can land a kickflip. I think that could be something that we could probably try and do. Maybe, hopefully, we'll see.
Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 god.
Before we can continue with today's festivities, I've been really wanting a pair of Air Force Ones, so hey man, the ancestral thing in me is to go to my local mall and pick up some Air Force Ones. Big boys, shipping in my Air Force Ones. I would bring y'all along with me, but the way that my social anxiety is set up, and I don't want to run into people I know,
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
I'm gonna see if my socialism gotten better if I can just walk into a big place where I hopefully I don't know anybody and just pick up what I need to without being stopped and all that stuff. I'm gonna see. I did it, y'all. Your boy done did it. I went inside the mall. I went into 3 shoe stores. Nobody paid me no attention besides the Do That Champs. So Do That Champs, I appreciate you, bro. Got my G Fazos, you heard? Now, let's head to the skate park. All right, bro, this thing is packed. Crazy, man. It's a nice event.
Shit, what's up? I'm looking like, man, what the fuck?
How you doing?
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I ain't trying to have it.
Yeah, I don't know about me landing no kickflip. These some real skaters out here. My dog look like Kodak Black over there. Kickflip, but that ain't happening, fam. Almost just bust my ass trying to do an ollie again. I lost it, bro. I never had it, but I lost it. I ain't do no kickflip, alright? However, I will make up for it by cooking y'all some fried chicken. Look, I know, bro, Juneteenth just passed. I get it. Fried chicken is just so good, bro. Like, I would air fry it. I feel like being a big back right now. Oh, also, those donuts I had? Oh, bro, I ate them all. Half a dozen. Bro, I haven't had no sweets in a minute, dog. I literally almost just broke my leg. We got some fried chicken. Yeah. Yeah, man, yeah. Got some onion powder, got some Larry's garlic powder, and some slap your mama smoked paprika, and some mustard on a beat, ho. Then you have that. I am missing some Tony seasoning, so I just substituted it for some slap your mama. I'm not gonna be too much of a big bag. I won't be adding flour to these. Maybe a couple. Nah, no big bag. I'm not gonna go big bag. I'm just gonna fry it like it is. Ooh, ready to go. Fry that bad girl on up, player. Y'all be the judge. What you think? Zosh's fried chicken restaurant popping up soon? Y'all gonna be coming to the pop out? Pause. No, wow. Jesus. If I ever host a meet and greet, I'm gonna have y'all get a taste of my meat. I can't even say it. Now, the only thing left to complete those chicken wings is to sauce them bad boys. But Zosh, what are you gonna sauce them with? Come on, bro. Buffalo Wild Wings has the best mango habanero sauce. Hands down, the best mango habanero sauce, bro. So we're gonna sauce it on up. And there you have it, folks. Mango Hab Wings by yours truly, Playboy. I woke up this morning feeling great, bro. It's Sunday. Today is race day. Hamilton placed P3 in qualifying. And you know what he did today? He placed P3. He poled. My dog podiumed. Haven't seen homie podium since last year, bro. Before I end this video, I got some parts in the mail. Let's go over them, shall we? In the first package, we received our plate majig from Tff. So I ordered this because this is like the standard thing you have to buy. If you ever replace your RBC Galifold on your 8th gen to what I'm about to do, which is a Skunk 2 Ultra, then you have to buy this or an equivalent of this. But Tff makes the best product when it comes to like cooling and swirl pots and all that stuff. Like, bro, you can't go wrong with Tff. This was like $101 shipped, made here in the USA. Quality is superb. This box right here comes from the homies over at Hybrid Racing. Yeah, as you can read that part number, baby. This right here is my ZDX throttle body that we're going to be using on the 8th gen. And what I have in these boxes right here is wham bam, thank you ma'am, yes sirski. This adapter right here will adapt our throttle body to the actual Galifold itself. So Hybrid actually just released this not too long ago. So if you guys are interested in doing what I'm about to do here soon, which I'll have a YouTube video on, then I'll be sure to link all the parts that I used in that video down in the description box below. But this is the part number right here in case you want to just buy it today and prep yourself. Next up, fuel pressure gauge, because mine took a poop ski. And the last of them brand new fuel rail because the one on the Integra is faded. You see, bro, my fuel rail is matching my intake. They're both gold. This is an old hybrid gauge, but it still works. Like, it's not broken. Everything is Gucci tater, so I don't have to worry about that one. But the one on the Civic right now is busted. I think what I might do this video is swap out the fuel rail, and that's too much work because then I got to take that off. Then I don't feel like doing that, to be honest, bro. That's too much. Sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Bruh. Ooh, man. Cooked. That is pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. I don't know what this video entailed, and I know you won't believe me, but I did actually land a kickflip, but it was in the grass. I know y'all ain't gonna believe me. I didn't film it. I'm too tired now. You know what next video I do? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do a kickflip again. I'm gonna do it, bro. I'm gonna do it. Y'all don't believe me, and I don't appreciate y'all not believing me. We supposed to be homies, bro. We supposed to be locked in. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, go ahead and that like button for your boy. That'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you. And I will be sure to catch you guys in the next video, which will be a Talk That Talk Tuesday. And I'm out. Peace.